accuracy here. So now we're gonna move to our third color. So we did yellow 5, yellow 6, and now we're doing red 40. So here's red 40, and that's its concentration. So remember on your data sheet, let me slide it over here. You want to write that concentration right here as the 100%. And on the color solution 3, write red 40, okay? So just like before, same process. I have a brand new blank cuvette that I'm gonna use. I have my 100%. You can kind of see, we already made the solutions again. My 100, my 50, my 25, my 12.5. So went ahead and made all the dilutions. You saw how we did that in the first video. So now we just have to rinse them out. Same thing, you get to watch us pour into these little cuvettes and pour it in the sink. Pour it into the little cuvettes. And somehow I managed to not get dye on myself. I think Dr. Zach ruined a lot more clothes than I did in grad school. I don't know, we'll have to compare later. I did some more hazardous stuff in grad school than pouring colored solutions though into, this is easy. This is way less messy. Oh, hold on, my Chem White is stuck at the bottom of my box here. Jeez, I got like 50 Chem Whites, but I only need one. All right, we're good. No air bubbles. Same thing, match up my arrows, pop it in, press play, discard. Give it a second to process, press stop. I'm a little more patient than Dr. Zach is. Okay, so you can see yet again, our graph has moved a little bit. New solution, new color. Trying to find a good point. We're gonna go with that. So 507.2 for our nanometers and our absorbent. Okay, so that absorbance goes right here as the 100%. And then make sure you write down that lambda max, 507.2 for our lambda max. All right, so same thing. Take out my 100% sample, dump it. Now we're to the 50%. Pour it in. Rinsing out our samples here. Last one we keep. Okay. Yet again, no air bubbles, so we're good there. Put it in, press play, discard, let it think. Okay, it's thought. All right, and we said it was 507.2, way up here. There we go. So this is the absorbance that you need. So remember, we want that absorbance is right here for our 50%. Same thing, cut these numbers in half to get these. So now we have our absorbance for our 50%. So now, same process. We're gonna get real tired of seeing our dumping and pouring, dumping and pouring. You get to see where pros at, pouring into little things and dumping them out. Part of chemistry is to do things multiple times. That's why we do so many trials, because you want to make sure that you did it correctly every time. All right. No air bubbles. We're good. There's a little air bubble. Hold on. Let me do a little tapsies. Little baby guy. Okay. Stick it in there. Okay. I already forgot the number, 507.2. I wrote it down. Otherwise, I would have forgot. Whoops. This thing is so sensitive. 507.2 is right here. So now you have your next absorbance. So remember, that is our 25% absorbance right here. So now let's get our last one. So last one is our most diluted guy, our 12.5. You can see he's a lot less red. He's almost got like a little pink color to him. I think we might have enough. I'll check. As long as it goes all the way in, we'll be okay. Yeah, it's high enough. We'll be okay. Let's press pause. And go up. That was 7.2. That is our last data point. So we want that data point, and you want to put that right here in the absorbance, and then we'll start with our next video with our next color.